Greetings, welcome back to the channel, Surplus here. Now, if you have been following the story, you'd have realized that I have wait a minute. If you have not been following the story, make sure you go watch the last video. Yes, hey, go and go watch the last video. But if you have, you should know that I have left Jamaica and I'm in another country right now. I'm in the Turks and Caicos. And right now I'm in my classroom. Yeah, I can film around because I'm the only one here right now. Yeah, that's some people knocking on my door trying to get in, but they can't get in right now. So, if you've been following the story, I have moved out of Jamaica. I won't say how permanent, but I'm here and I'm teaching in the Turks and Caicos. And something that I neglected to say in the last video, you know it wasn't easy. I didn't have that money to take this plane fare and come to Turks and Caicos. So really and truly I had to rely on a lot of family and friends. Someone say big up to my cousin them that helped out, big up to a lot of my aunties that helped out, big up to a lot of my cousins that are my aunties, because you know it go cousins, but they are big people, so they are my aunties. And big up to my wife, because she sacrificed a huge chunk of her pay, and so the plane ticket buy and everybody fly out to Turks and Caicos. So this video is actually going to be about a lot of things that I have done since, a lot of field trips, a lot of things that I have done since I've been here. And trust me, there are a lot of things that I have done so far and been a part of. So maybe I'm going to have to make a part 2 for this video. So if you want to stay notified of part 2, so that when it comes out immediately you can get to see it, just click that bell. You can give this video a like too. Likes help, and it sends it out into cyberspace and YouTube land for more people to watch it. You understand? Because I think I know it's going to be interesting. You're going to see the field trips that I have gone so far. Alright, so I'm going to click a quick look around our class. Yes, that's my class. A lot of people like this right here. I made sure to tell them leave the dirt and the noise. Leave the dirt and the noise outside. You don't know I'm a social studies teacher? No. So you don't know where I have the geography, social studies content. Understand, we have to expand their minds. Parts of speech, states of matter. And of course, I can't leave out the basketball inspired quotes, And coincidentally, most of the basketball team is in my class. Weird, right? So you don't know the basketball inspired content. Let me flip around the camera so you can stop seeing my big front camera, or the back camera in this case. It's much better, so you can see the things them, much cleaner. This used to be the AutoCAD room, so I'm blessed to have AC. Alright, this is our little learning corner that I've started. So the kids can come in their leisure time and actually expand them imagination by reading. So I have a lot of books right here. It's like an enrichment corner, but I call it the learning lounge. Come feed the brain. Anyways, this is not what the video is about. So let's get right into our first field trip. All right, so here we are on the morning of the trip. Now, there were a few transportation challenges in the morning, but yeah, we brushed those aside and we got to the beach. Now, as you can see, the beach was beautiful. There's something about the water over here in Turks and Caicos that seems very turquoise. I don't know if it's Turks, turquoise. Anyways, bad pun. So, we're supposed to make this trip from right here at the beach that you're seeing, and then we're gonna go around Mangrove Key. And we're gonna look at the mangrove, and then we're gonna spin back, and then all of this was done in kayaks. Only one problem. This is the first time Surplus has ever been in a kayak. And some of the students, it was their first time too. It was my daughter's first time too. But guess what? You don't know, we don't have that thing we call trepidation. No, we don't have no fear. Out there without fear, you know what we say. I'm sorry if I was a bit too loud. So we jumped in the kayak and we got lessons how to maneuver the kayak, how to row in tandem, or row in unison. And yeah, so here's how it went. No gang signs, no affiliations in my video.
How deep is it? How deep is it? 7. You're not carrying them far out. They're just staying along here. No.
Now, what we are going to do, guys, is set out everyone is here up for the partner so that no one has to work too hard. Right? That means to have to work too hard. Now, the person up front can't see the back of them. The person in the back
We can go together?
Yeah, we can do it.
Alright? Alright. Whichever side you see the person.
Why would you want to do that?
Match that face, paddling at the same side, and at the same speed they're paddling on. Everyone is working together. Everyone got that? Alright. Now what I want everyone to do, I want everyone to pick up their oars and go to a quick kayaking exercise before we actually set out. Yeah, you riding, right? You guys are riding, right?
Oh, what?
Are you guys riding?
Alright, first.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oars like this.
You don't know how to swim?
Alright?
This right here?
Down. Both sides forward. So make sure you're holding the phone like this. Wait, boss, like this. It's easy.
Pay attention. Pay attention. Sure, go ahead, Mia.
Now when you're kayaking, guys, what you always want to do is make sure that you get an overhand grip. Never under overhand or underhand. Always an overhand grip. You always want to lift your paddle to about chest, shoulder height, so when you dip it in the water, it actually goes in the water. Alright? Now when you kayak, you have to paddle continuously. Paddle on both sides, you're going to keep them straight at all times. The moment you paddle on one side, you're going to go in the opposite direction. So if I paddle on my right side, I go left. If I paddle on my left side, I go right. Everyone got that? So if I paddle on my right side all day, where I going? Alright, if I
circle.
paddle on my left side all day, where I going? Alright, but you have to remember you're in a kayak with another person, so always keep that in mind. You have to work with your partner. Everyone got that? Alright, perfect. Now, the big body of water right behind us, everyone, this is the hardest part. It's an active boat channel. Boats are going to be passing by. Alright? But we are going to be in the water with guys the entire time, so there's nothing to really worry about. When the boats do pass by, sometimes they give off the wave, and once you guys see that wave coming towards you, this is what I want you guys to do. Paddle slowly on one side, depending on which direction the boat's coming in, so you guys can ride the wave. So if the boat is coming from my left, what I'll do, I'll turn to my right, I'm paddling on my left side, so I can brace myself for the wave. If the boat is coming from my right and it's heading to my left, I'll turn to my left side, I'm paddling on my right side to brace myself for the wave. Got that? Everyone on the same page? Alright, so if the boat is coming from my left and going to my right, which direction am I turning in? Right side. Always want to turn the kayak to the direction of the boat. So I can see the boat coming down. Now I'll turn my kayak to the right slightly, and I'll ride the wave. Alright? Everyone on the same page? Alright. Now me and my associates, what we're going to do, we're going to pull your kayak down to the water. We're going to help you guys in. Make sure you guys are comfortable. Afterwards, we're going to put you guys about 3 to 4 feet away from the beach until everyone, including the four guys, are in their kayak. Then we're going to cross. Until then, you guys are going to wait till everyone, including the four guys, is in their kayak. So we can cross the channel and get that guys. Everyone on the same page? Alright. Edge? Alright. Hit.
Thank you, thank you. Please don't pay attention. You want to come back safe, right? All right.
Crash. Crash. Where are they going? They're not working together? Ah, that's it, that's it. We lost 2 people. Where are these lovebirds drifted to? They're supposed to be going over there. 2 people got beached. So as you can meticulously scrutinize, we're back. Yeah. I don't know about safely though, because yeah, I'm soaked. Yeah. Don't touch 300-pound man in a kayak. I guess that's the takeaway lesson today. But I'm back on shore, so that is sure. I'm back on day. Yeah, more big up these fine folks to help me.
Come on, man. Shake your hand, man. Shake your hand, man. Come on, man.
A picture. Let's go get let's go and
Group
come
picture.
back.
Here we go. Pride and joy.
They gotta go. Okay, wonderful. Thank you guys.
Alright, thank you so much.
You guys can see that.
So November is celebrated globally as Disability Awareness Month. Persons with disabilities include those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairments, which in interaction with various barriers may hinder their full and effective participation in society on an equal basis with others. The Disability Awareness Month offers an opportunity for every single person and institution to remove these barriers and to improve the quality of life of people with disabilities through concrete action. Every class was asked to prepare a poster or some sort of display to show their awareness for those in our society and even in our school that have disabilities, or as we say, different abilities. Now, at that time, I didn't have a form class for myself, so you can see me here assisting my wife's form class. Yes, and then all of the other classes, they came together and they put their displays on this wall. Here are some of them. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace. Fear. Out there without fear. You know what we say.